Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of AT Tech. I'm your host, AndrewT, here as always, giving you the latest information, reviews, unboxings, and everything that's dealing with technology. Today, we have a nifty gadget here called a handy mic. Very simple, very handy. This is one of the most used devices in my arsenal, and unfortunately, I have to do a rush unboxing because I need the ability to utilize this whenever I like right now. The audio quality that's coming in now is from the camera, built-in camera from a point-and-shoot Canon. Not to say Canon cameras aren't good, but their microphones are not. Well, you hear the quality of the video. I'm pretty sure you can hear the crickets chirping in the background, but the quality itself is far from HD. But with our little handy mic here, wireless capabilities, we will be able to do a lot more professional videos. So today we're gonna do a nice unboxing of the Zoom H6 handy mic. Gotta love the name too, Zoom. You know, it's just like, you know, zoom, 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 zoom. Let's get on with the unboxing, because we need this available right now to use in our videos so that the audio quality can be a whole lot better. So first, we have our literature. Very simple. Well, that's it when it comes to the literature. Next, we have our actual hardware. Comes in this nifty plastic carrying case, which is very light, very easy to carry around with this case, but for a premium microphone, I'm not really feeling the premium case to go with it. But let's see. That's it? Yeah, that's it. Inside the box. Alright, so we're going to move our literature box to the side, and we're going to actually open our product. I'll let you guys get the first look. Oh, well, okay. Well, it looks like our product is in nicely packed cases. So first, let's check our USB cable, which should be a standard size USB. I don't think it's 3.0 though. No, it doesn't look like 3.0. Connected to a micro USB. And this is what you're going to plug into your microphone and your computer in case you want to use your microphone as an audio interface, which is one of the features of our microphone here, which is why I picked it actually. Okay, we got Fujitsu. We got Fujitsu high-powered batteries in here, 4 of them, and this is actually what's going to power our microphone up. And I'm told, early reports are, you get about 12 hours of battery life with your 4 AA standard size batteries. So I'm talking about Duracell, Energizer, about 12 hours of life. I don't know how this Fujitsu, there it goes, Fujitsu. I don't know how the Fujitsu is going to hold up, but we'll see what happens. So right off the back, we have our pop filter, which looks like it is built. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, this is a modular microphone. It actually has a few additional modules for it, 4 in total. Unfortunately, the 2 that come out of the box would be your mid-size mic and your XY mic, but the XY mic is like stereo pair microphones, whereas the mid-size microphone is good for like ambient noises and things of that nature. So any stereo surround sounds you're gonna try to get, you want to get that with this. You have your shotgun mic attachment and also an attachment to add on 2 more XLR microphone connectors. So if you have instruments, anything of that nature, you can add on 2 more, but I don't really think you're gonna need it, considering that right off the back you can add on 4. So let's actually get to the product. But you can tell the pop filter was made for the stereo mic. Let's get to the microphones. Actually, I'm gonna keep these little baggies so that we don't get our microphones filled with dust or anything like that. But this is a quick shot at the mid-size mic. You can see your right and left, so you know which side is which. So for me, it will be like this. You also have your switches to change the gain on your microphone, which is especially good in case your sound is too high or off the charts. So we got the one. Here we go. The stereo mic. Okay, again, we have our channels to change the gain. Raise or lower it. This microphone looks very premium quality. It definitely. Actually, I can't wait to try it now. I can't wait to try it out. So, let's see. We have our two microphones, and now to get to the star of the show. Pull out. Good to know it's nicely stuffed in there. It's not going to move around or anything. Our Zoom H6. Not for nothing, this is very light to be an audio interface. Very light. Alright, let's check it out. We have our two ports for the microphone on our left side. Also, SD card holder, full size. Volume control. Headphones out. Okay, we got a hold and power on. Okay, I'm guessing the hold is to stop from anything going on, basically a lock. We got in the front, we have our line out and our remote in, which we ordered the remote, should be coming very soon. We have our little screen, which I'm told is color, so as opposed to the Zoom H5, it was I think black and white. This one is a little bit better in daylight too, but still not the best thing in daylight. Okay, we got our switches, control the gain for each microphone or each plug-in that you're using. Very simple controls up front. Okay. On our right side, we have our USB plug-in, menu button, scroll wheel. Okay, nice, simple. Two more ports on the top of those, our modular microphones. On the back, we have a little spoke to put into a tripod. See a battery case, holds AA batteries, 4 of them. And as you know, you put your little strap here, make it easy to pull out the batteries when you put them in. Let's see. Okay. It's looking pretty impressive right here. This video is just an unboxing. Going forward, you're gonna hear the quality change for the audio. We're gonna switch up to HD audio now. Going forward, you guys will definitely get a review as we go. We have our two modules that go onto it, and mostly I'm gonna end up using the stereo one for the majority of what I do. Actually, let's add it on. Bam. Okay. Ooh. Now it feels a little bit more heavy. That feels like a premium product right there. Alright. Let's fire this bad boy up. Oh yeah, no batteries. Damn. Oh well, next time on AndrewT, batteries. Gotta have them. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Hopefully we'll catch you on another one. AndrewT out. Have a great one, guys. Deuces.